Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show y'all how I do my everyday super quick makeup look. Okay, this is what I do every day. If I'm going out running errands, if I have a client, well, I don't really have to do with a client because I wear my mask. But if I want to look presentable anywhere I go, honestly, and I don't want to sit here and do my makeup, I've noticed like a lot lately, I don't like to put foundation on or lashes, or I don't feel like spending 30-45 minutes on my makeup. I literally want to get it done super quick because I just, If you are new here, my name is London Tay, but my real name is Taylor. And if you're an OG subscriber, you know that we do give hugs around this mug, okay? We give hugs to get acquainted with one another, okay? I hope you guys like hugs around here because I love giving them, alright? So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this content, enjoyed this video, and I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a hug, and then I'm going to just jump into this video, alright? So there you go. If you don't already know, we do give hugs around this mug, alright? I will talk to y'all in my next video. Bye! Alright y'all, so this is going to be a super easy video. This is my everyday routine. I don't wear a lot of makeup, and I don't wear makeup every day per se. However, I do have dark marks and stuff like that, so you know, I kind of like to cover it up, look presentable, look flawless, and things like that. So I think I have a little bit of makeup on right now, so I'm just going to wipe it off with this wet wipe, and we're gonna get started. Yeah, so I have like a dark mark right here, a little pimple right here, and just some little bit discoloration like on the sides or whatever, but we're gonna get it squared away. But we're gonna do it in a timely fashion with minimum products, something you can do within 5 minutes, y'all. I literally do my makeup in 5 minutes. I don't have time for the extraness, okay? I have a kid, I got stuff to do, and I really don't like to spend so much time on my hair and my makeup. I'm gonna be perfectly honest, y'all. Like, I be having so many things to do. Girl, I do not want to spend time on my makeup. So I'm just going to put a scarf on my head. Okay, so this is how we are starting. Alright y'all, so first things first, my face is clean. I don't care if y'all have the oiliest skin in America, okay? I don't care if your face is an oil pan in front of the car. Like, I don't care. Make sure you moisturize. It's so important, y'all. Like, it's just important. Because, and then on top of that, if your skin realizes it's dry at that moment, it's just going to overproduce oil, and that is not what you want. So make sure you are moisturizing your face. Girl, my face is feeling so supple after I moisturize with it. My next step, I'm going to use that moisturizer as a primer, and I'm going to use it as a moisturizer. So what I like to use is, I like to use the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. That is what I like to use, and all I do is literally conceal my imperfections, conceal my dark marks, conceal my circles under my eyes, my bags under my eyes, and conceal like the blemishes that, you know, the blemishes where I had acne and I messed with it and it turned dark. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so we're gonna conceal, and I like to, this is actually some really good drugstore concealer, and it also is thick. I like to just kind of, any spot where I see that there are imperfections, I am just going to use, well, put a concealer on, okay? And then I'm just going to kind of blend it out with this wand brush, okay? I know I look crazy right now, but y'all just keep the faith, okay? So then I'm going to use like an e.l.f. little blender or whatever, and I'm just going to literally dampen the blender and just blend everything out, okay? So now my imperfections are basically gone. Now, like if you still have, or you still see like some of your dark marks peeking through, which is and it's usually like the dark marks that are super fresh, I like to just kind of put a little bit more there and let it sit, okay? Let it sit for a little minute, couple minutes, let it get really tacky, and then blend again, okay? Some spots you may need like 2 layers, all right? So after I do that, I am going to just kind of mess up my brows. So NYX came out with the brow glue, okay? Not a brow gel, a brow glue, okay? It's supposed to kind of help you make your eyebrows look microbladed or whatever. So I'm just gonna use some of that and brush all my eyebrows. The eyebrows I do got left, okay? I'm just gonna kinda, and it makes your brows look like super full when you do it like this too. It makes them look more presentable, like more done. So I really like this technique. And then on the top, boom. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to actually get a brush this time, and I'm going to blend that concealer in those spots that I kind of went over the second time. So the sponge kind of takes up extra product, excess product, and then the brush just blends that product in, okay? I like to get the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, and I have this in the color Deep, okay? I'm just gonna get that. It has like a little sifter or whatever, and I'm gonna kind of put some of that powder on the top. All right, a little bit on the cheeks, under the eye, on the lid. Okay, that's it. Next, I'm going to get a black liner, y'all. Black liner. That's all you really need to do. Line the bottom, that's it. And go like this. And then transfer over. Now I'm going to get my finishing powder, fluffy brush, and just go over my whole face with it. Okay? Simple, easy, okay? Now I'm going to put a gloss on top. Clear gloss is always cute. Always a vibe. I like to use the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara, and what I do is I'll use a little bit on my brows, just to kind of darken my brows a little bit, so they don't be disappearing in your face, you know. Alright, and I'm just gonna put a little bit of mascara on. Alright y'all, so this is the final look. I did just put a little ponytail in. Yeah, I thought I'd just give a little sleek little look. Okay, ponytail, hang time, girl. Okay, so yeah, I put a little ponytail in. I just changed my outfit and put a dress on, and that is about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative, you know, something quick that you can do, especially since it's about to start getting springtime and back into the hot months. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will talk to y'all in my next video. Do not forget to subscribe, y'all. Don't forget, I'm not playing. Do not forget to subscribe to your girl channel. Alright, don't forget. Alright, bye y'all. Mwah.